How to reset network settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your network settings on iPhone. Let's get started. You need to go to settings, then you need to go to general. Now scroll down to the bottom, click on transfer or reset iPhone. There you'll find reset, click on that and then tap on reset network settings. You'll not lose your files or documents, just the network settings will be reset and you'll need to uh, type in the network password again after it has been reset. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.